Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
I can't wait to tell you about this adorable place over at Horizon South, very popular beach resort on the west end of the beach. This unit is like just right across from the beach, really. Like you just walk across the road. And you're in the sand. Yep. A 1-bedroom with a bunk and 2 bathrooms. What do you love about this space?
Oh, actually the proximity to sand can't be beat. It just can't. I mean, enough said.
And absolutely. And Horizon South, the great thing about it is some people use it for their beach getaway. Some people use it to get nice vacation rental income. It is an established resort community. It's been around for a few decades. They know what works and what doesn't. Several pools on property.
And Horizon South's very popular with guests.
Yes.
So if you choose that route, you're going to keep it booked. But yeah, you're right. The amenities on property with multiple pools from which to choose, access to back beach and front beach. It really is a great location on this west end.
Close to the park we have over at Frank Brown Park, close to Pier Park, and a short drive to the airport.
Absolutely.
The location can't be beat. And this 1-bedroom with a bunk, great income opportunity, and it's priced under $300, so it's a great deal. If you want to see this property, please let your agent know or give us a call. We'd love to show it to you.
For more details, look below in the description. You've got the listing link. You can check out more photos and more details.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell. You don't want to miss out on any future Panama City Beach deals like this one.
Bye.